Right, okay, so first video on the Fiesta with the water leak detection. We've just done the 28-point check and we've found everything now, I believe. So I'm just going to run you through what we've found. So first things first, we're just going to start with the door membranes. So basically what we're going to do is we've stuck a lever tool down the inside of the window, so we just pour some water on the outside just so it simulates that it's raining. Now it should be coming out the bottom of the door, which it is doing. But what we have noticed is if we just come down here, you can see there that it's actually running out between the membrane. So obviously it should only be running out through the bottoms here like it is doing, but obviously it's running down on top of this rubber, as you can see there. So that would be the passenger door membrane. So coming round to the driver's side, the driver's side door membrane, we're just going to put this little lever tool down there once again, pour some water down there just simulating that it's raining, and once again, so it's coming out the bottom of the doors, but as you can see there's signs of water passing through here as well. So that's both of the door membranes are leaking. Just to show you as well, in the back footwell, if I squeeze that, you can feel that it's quite damp there, and obviously the bottom of the floor pan. In the driver's front, if I can just lift this up a second, it's absolutely soaking wet in the front. So there you go, you can see the state in hand. And coming round to the passenger side too, obviously down the back of the carpet. So that's very wet there. So you can hear water coming out of that one there. And if you go to the passenger front, now the passenger front's a bit funny because this little patch here, if I lift this up, this feels dry, this patch. But and then if I lift this front underlay up, now this front underlay is wet. So if I can just squeeze that, so there you go, you can see water in that front underlay. So that is wet as well. So we've got all four footwells are wet, and obviously we know about the boot. The boot's got a big puddle of water in it. So that's the first lot.